Well, hi, this is Rich, WB5YBZ, and this is rich, not poor, but rich. Anyway, I have the FTDX10 that I'm listening to right now. Had it for about 6 weeks now, but I just want to show you how it sounds with a little static on here. Hitting the digital noise reduction, I have it on about 7. I turned on the contour and then I turned on the notch. I just want to show you what the difference it makes in the sound and pulling a very weak station in. Thanks so much for watching. If you can wash too. If you could give me a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. Thanks a lot. All right, I want to show you a setting that I have that works for me. I hit the function knob in my FTDX10 and hit operation settings. Under the RX DSP, I have the contour level on a +10. I also have the contour width on a 8, number 8. That's just how I have it set up. Might work different if you adjust those a little bit differently. But let's go on over and listen to the DX station. I'm listening to HI7 Whiskey Alpha, Hotel India 7 Whiskey Alpha. Let's just show you what I'm listening to. I'm trying to get it in. I'll probably have to cut some of it. First of all, I'm getting an S3 noise approximately, and he's about an S3. So I'm going to get the front end of the receiver, knock it down, attenuation about 6 dB. Then I'll put the digital noise reducer in. Then I put the contour on over here. Then I put the noise reduction, the notch filter on. Take off the notch when he starts talking. Take off the contour when he starts talking. Now I'm taking off the digital noise reduction. Put on the digital noise reduction when he starts talking. Put the contour on. Putting the notch on. This is Yaesu FTDX10. Well, there you have it. Isn't that interesting? I mean, it just brings the signals to life when you can really hear them. You don't have to strain your ears. The Yaesu FTDX10 is just an amazing receiver. It works wonderful. And just to play around with it, taking the attenuation down at the front end of the receiver, knocking the static down a little bit. Of course, it knocks down the signal, but also the static. And then the digital noise reduction. Well, I had it set on 7. I also put the notch, the contour on first, which was at 1500 hertz, and then the notch at 1500 hertz. It seemed like it cleared up the signal, the static, all that just made it almost crystal clear for a pretty weak station with all the noise I have on that was coming in on there. So with that, I guess I'll let you go. If you'd give me a thumbs up, I sure appreciate it. I sure love making these videos, and I like to share my experiences with you guys. So with that, 73s, until the next video.